What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best air fryers in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The first product that deserves special attention on our list for today is the carnivore Pro LE Air Fryer, the most cost-effective air fryer in 2024. This compact fryer excels at cooking both onion rings and chicken, delivering near flawless results. Despite its modest size, the carnivore Pro LE does not compromise on performance. It efficiently delivers crispy onion rings and succulent chicken while occupying minimal kitchen space. The device measures 11 inches in length, 12 inches in height, and 14.5 inches in depth, making it one of the more compact models in our collection. It comes with a 5-liter basket, which makes it ideal for smaller meal portions. The carnivore Pro LE stands out for its ability to perfectly balance a crispy exterior with a well-cooked interior, especially when it comes to cooking onion and raspberry rings. Most batches of onion rings come out nearly perfect, with maybe 1 or 2 slightly undercooked pieces. The exterior boasts a delightful crunch, while the interior is thoroughly cooked within 9.5 minutes. The device's user interface is intuitive and features responsive touch buttons. All the cooking options are conveniently located at the top, and the time and temperature settings are displayed in large, easy-to-read numbers. However, it does lack preheating functionality, which could have made the cooking process even smoother. Another minor inconvenience is the screen going into sleep mode when the basket is removed, which can be slightly annoying when just checking food. One noteworthy feature is the shake alarm, which can be switched off, thus saving you the trouble of having to turn it off for foods like chicken breasts that don't require shaking during cooking. Although the device is shorter, the screen angle is shallow, which means most people will still be able to comfortably view the interface. And when it comes to cleaning, the carnivore Pro LE scores high. Its matte panels, which are more resistant to greasy fingerprints than a glossy surface, can be wiped clean easily. The tray's grooves are shallow enough for the sponge to glide through effortlessly. While the basket's walls may retain some grease, a thorough scrubbing takes care of it. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product in our review series is the Ninja 4-quart air fryer, recognized as the best compact air fryer available in 2024. For those who value consistent cooking results and a user-friendly interface, the Ninja air fryer stands out as a top choice. In our evaluations, this fryer consistently produced food with an appealing crunch and boasts one of the most intuitive interfaces among all models we tested. It also demonstrated almost flawless temperature accuracy, ensuring reliable and repeatable results with each use. A minor issue we noted was that the crunch plate features some grooves and holes, making cleaning a tad challenging at times. However, overall, the Ninja model makes air frying a breeze and ensures tasty results. While not necessarily achieving top marks for any single dish, the Ninja air fryer displayed remarkable versatility, with all its cooked dishes rating above average. It delivered beautifully golden brown onion rings and pastries with a delightful crunch. The donuts came out perfectly textured, featuring a slight crunch on the outside and a fluffy interior. The unit also excelled in cooking chicken, with sweet potato fries being the only slight disappointment. The Ninja air fryer scored highly in user-friendliness tests due to its clear interface, well-designed frying basket, and a thoughtful selection of cooking settings. It offers 4 different cooking modes: air fry, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Within the air fry mode, it provides a temperature range of 300 to 400 degrees, a range that can accommodate virtually any air fryer recipe. Despite these various options, operating the Ninja air fryer remains relatively straightforward. Simply press the dedicated button for your selected cooking mode, set the temperature and cooking time with the arrow keys, press start, and your cooking journey begins. One standout feature is the well-designed frying basket. Its sturdy handle and snug fit make it easy to remove, shake for even cooking, and slide back in with just one hand. Cleaning this device is generally hassle-free, as the fryer basket doesn't hold on to grease too stubbornly, eliminating the need for vigorous scrubbing. However, the crunch plate at the bottom of the basket has small grooves and a handle that can trap residue, requiring a bit more precise cleaning. Introducing the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, a product that has earned our endorsement and that of many users as the superior large-capacity air fryer available in 2024. The standout feature of the XXL is its smart sensing technology. This remarkable innovation adjusts cooking times based on the quantity of food inserted, delivering impressive results consistently. While the mechanism behind this technology remains a mystery, its effectiveness is undeniable. The Philips Air Fryer XXL excelled at producing crispy, evenly cooked fries and perfectly baked biscuits with crunchy edges and moist centers. It outperformed all other fryers in our tests in terms of uniform cooking across the surface and top-to-bottom heating. The wicker basket's design facilitates free airflow around the food, and a shake reminder ensures you to turn the food for even cooking. The device pauses cooking until you open and close the drawer, ensuring optimal results. The Philips XXL's user-friendly controls were our favorite feature. Its unique hanging drawer design allows easy access to the basket without removing the pan, simplifying shaking and stirring. The smooth operation gives it a premium feel. The interface is straightforward, featuring 5 presets for popular foods such as frozen fries and chicken wings. A clickable dial in the center precisely sets the time and temperature, and a favorite button can save your preferred presets. An added bonus is the Philips Recipe app, offering a wide range of recipes to try. The fryer can be set to temperatures ranging from 40 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius, and the timer can be set for up to 60 minutes. A Keep Warm feature keeps your food warm for up to 30 minutes after the cycle is finished, and a shake reminder ensures even cooking. Philips also provides an extensive user manual with detailed information on using the fryer, along with a recipe book. The build quality is exceptional, with excellent fit and finish in both the Philips XXL and Essential models. It remains cool during cooking, making it one of the safest fryers we tested. In conclusion, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL offers remarkable performance, ease of use, and safety. The next contender that deserves a spotlight is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. In our estimation, it stands unrivaled as the best toaster oven air fryer available in 2024. This versatile appliance could easily replace your full-size oven, toaster, and fryer, making it a worthy addition to any kitchen. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is more than just an air fryer. Although it's on the pricier side, we believe its performance justifies the investment. If you have ample counter space and budget, this versatile device will delight you with its functionality, offering the capability to air fry chicken, toast 9 slices of bread, roast a small turkey, and much more. It can even act as a substitute for your full-size oven for everyday cooking or when additional capacity is required. This appliance performed exceptionally well in our testing, delivering perfectly cooked Brussels sprouts, fried chicken, and both frozen and fresh French fries. While frying chicken wings proved slightly challenging, the results were still satisfactory. The Breville scored top marks for grilling chicken and nearly perfect scores for hamburgers. In baking tests, it produced flawless cakes and cookies and efficiently reheated frozen pizza. One unique feature of the Breville is its immediate switch to preheat mode for many functions, including air frying. Once preheating is done, you must be ready with your food as the timer automatically starts counting down. However, opening the door pauses the timer, giving you some leeway. If you need to add extra cooking time, you'll have to disable the preheat function. The Breville also offers a rotate remind feature for certain modes, including air frying. This feature flashes a reminder on the display and sounds an audible alert, encouraging you to rotate your food for even cooking. With the convection grill, the Breville produced a succulent roast chicken with crispy skin in just 65 minutes. The appliance comes with an LCD screen controlled by 2 buttons and 2 dials. Besides settings for air frying, toasting, roasting, and baking, it also offers options for slow cooking, dehydration, proofing, and more. Lastly, the Breville boasts a handy internal oven light, allowing you to easily monitor your food as it cooks. We are pleased to introduce the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer, a leading contender in the air fryer market of 2024. This kitchen appliance stands out with its aesthetically pleasing, sleek, and upright design, featuring a square shape and a matte finishing on its sides. The front is adorned with brushed steel, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The Instant Vortex Plus is an excellent choice for those working with limited counter space, as it requires a mere 13-centimeter clearance around it while in operation. Its user-friendly nature is evident from the moment you unbox it, with only 3 components to handle: the oven, the frying basket, and a pull-out tray. Assembly is as simple as sliding the cooking tray into the basket, a task made easier by the thoughtful addition of a carrying loop and silicone corners to guard against scratches. Moving this air fryer around your kitchen counter is effortless, thanks to 2 recesses beneath its outer casing, and its non-slip feet ensure stability during use. Each function begins with a preheat phase, and an alert signals when the desired temperature is reached. The screen clearly displays the remaining cooking time and temperature. It also provides helpful reminders and error messages, such as when it's time to shake your fries for even cooking. Notably, the machine pauses automatically when the tray is removed and resumes once the tray is replaced. The generous 5.7-liter capacity of this air fryer can accommodate a 1.8 kilogram chicken, making it a practical choice for families. Its neat design allows it to blend seamlessly into your kitchen decor, and the viewing window on the drawer front only reveals the inside when the interior light is on, giving it a modern and tidy appearance. This air fryer employs even crisp advanced technology, ensuring top-to-bottom airflow for consistently golden and crispy results. Combining functionality with style, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer is a compact yet powerful addition to any kitchen. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 air fryers of 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.